Hello everyone! Welcome to Cupid's Cooking! Today we're going to make one of my favorite dish called panfriedspicylambchops. This recipe is loaded with flavors and surprisingly easy to make. And before we get started, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you can get the latest update on our exciting videos. So let's get going! You may pause the video to note down the ingredients. In a small tray or a bowl, combine garlic, thyme, rosemary, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, lemon zest, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and olive oil. Whisk until well combined. You may also use chili powder instead of cayenne pepper. Add the lamb chops and coat both sides with the marinade. Cover it with cling film and refrigerate for 2 hours. Remove from the fridge and let it rest at room temperature for half an hour. Heat the pan over medium heat and add the marinated lamb chops. You should hear the sizzling sound when you fry it because it only means that your pan is hot enough. Cook it for 3 to 5 minutes in each side or until golden. You may also place a foil on top, but do not seal it. Scrape the brown bits from the pan before cooking the rest of the lamb chops. Let the cooked lamb chops rest for 5 minutes before serving. And there you have it! Your pan-fried spicy lamb chops is ready! Enjoy and thank you for watching! Bye bye!